Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you are doing great today. If today is your first time coming across my channel, you are welcome. For my returning subscribers, thank you for always tuning in. I appreciate all your love and support. So today I will be sharing this very delicious and healthy recipe, potato and chicken stir fry, packed with lots of vegetables. So sit back, relax, let me introduce my ingredients. So these are all of the ingredients we'll be using for this deliciousness. We have some Irish potatoes. I've washed it thoroughly, dice it and soak it inside the water. We have some chicken breast well marinated. We have some bell peppers. You can use any color of your choice, the yellow, the red, and the green. We have some spices, oregano, thyme, cumin seed, and dried rosemary. We have some curry, chicken seasoning, onion, garlic, and ginger, some carrots. Everything is well washed and diced. So let's start cooking. First, in the boiling water, make sure your water is boiled before adding your potatoes. I'm going to add in the potato, then sprinkle some salt, stir it and allow this. We are not cooking it, okay? We are just steaming the potato a little bit. That is why you need your water to be hot first before adding your potatoes. So immediately you add it in, cover it for like just 1 to 2 minutes, then you sieve it out. We are not cooking it, okay? Just steam it. Then after sieving it out, we'll now start frying the potato. In a hot oil, I'll add in some onion, then I'll start frying all of the potatoes.
I no go stop, I no go settle. My light is never gonna die. Don't I go fire any devil. My life is forever gonna shine. Before them don't know me for my area. Now I'll be here to the guys. Cause I came like a sun.
So make sure to fry very well, okay? So when I'm done frying the potatoes, I'm also going to fry the chicken breast.
It's been a long way coming. You know, go make sense if you don't know the journey. I do, I promise, mommy. But man got no worries. Just like yesterday, mama tell me, say, make alright. Anytime I fall, I go rise up. She said, no bigger look or stature. All this stuff I know. Anyhow it be. I can't face my face.
So right now I'm done frying all of the potatoes and the chicken breast. As you can see, like you can even eat it like this, but we are not done yet. We are still going to steam our veggies, then we'll mix it with the potato and chicken breast. So in a pan, I add in just a little bit of oil, add in my sliced ginger, garlic, and onion. Stir this very well. Then I'll add in my bell peppers, my carrots. Then I'll add in the fried potatoes and chicken breast. Stir this very well. Season it, and our food is ready.
play with her, don't be dishonest. Ay, still not understanding this logic. Ay, back and I'm better. I want you bad as ever. Don't let me just let up. I wanna give you better. Baby, it's whatever.
Can you see this, guys? This is a must try recipe, okay? Try this recipe, follow the step, the way I make mine, like you are going to love it, especially kids. They love this a lot. Thank you for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.